I mean, no fiano jalewa. Je bien Canada lenche ake na fe wo ni bi come jalewa because I'm a minimum wage thing we. E woni fe ne achi no fiano no. E woni fiano thing we. And I'm like, oh my goodness, mini sanipo, mini I jele mfite alo no mo banjo ni ne. So fe da wala ake mama ke baba airport. That one is not a question.
Inbox.
Huh?
Okay, okay, baba inbox.
Oh, she bring in container, small container. You know, have to chop small.
So no, uba Canada uba 2 weeks ne. No uba ona to fi yele ko.
Oh, in Kenya we can buy airport.
It can buy airport.
Oh, it can buy airport. I can kill it with a choppy by airport. It's not nine eleomo no jiwo routine. That's the welcome to Ghana.
Oh,
that's
really?
That's my welcome.
I mean, has it been a time ni uba Ghana na ana aku choppy short.
Oh, I mean, ni atamil's time, no time, I can't hear how boy, but right now, yes, Chofi, they come to airport.
Anyami, Ghana, when you want here, come go care work as Ghana if it no papa be my name here, a malego cabo to it. Capo ye, only na no chumo, o yeshka, no here cashing, Ghana, if to a jolly, Canofiano, Yamanemly. Someone who said, ye, Ubroni, now no actor and crankasana all kinds of anything. When it's your when ya or the air car and crankasan. How honorable or my woman now. Ebuzia, or manager pa, no mundim near my pa, you walk or marry same, a fire journey diem, a fire mam remu, and in Yamabe bray emu. Or my say, ayo, my Nigerian home pass in case I was car. Now we hear you maybe not so need that formula, you will make it. Seriously, you will make it. Now Alata Nibia can send me their fan crown for Yentiano. Now you share as some crow.
Guys, before I say anything, I want you people to read these comments. Read these comments. Read it. Good. See my hand. I'm having something in my hand. I will explain to you how this thing came to me. You see the Ga tribe of Ghana. The Ga tribe of Ghana. I don't know the kind of word I will use to define them. I don't know the kind of language to use for them. But you see the Ga tribe of Ghana, they have the heart of God. They have the heart of God. Those people are accommodative. Those people are welcoming. Those people are loving. Those people are caring. Like, a Ga person can leave his or her room for you to sleep as a visitor, but the person will go and sleep outside just for you to feel comfortable. That is the Ga for you. That is the Ga tribe. Those people are like those people. They are like God. They are the Israelites. The people that own like that. Which kind of word? Which word I go use define the people of Ga? Those people are amazing. Those people are great. People of Accra. My name is Papa Alote. My name is Alote. Brand ni Accra boy. Ni Accra boy. He's outside the country. Ni Accra boy. And he's a Ga guy. A Ga guy. When he saw my video appreciating Ghana, he came to my comment section and he said, "Send me your Momo number. I want to buy you Banku." I thought it was a joke. And I was like, "Oh, okay." So later on, I sent him a DM. "Hi, good afternoon." He said, "Send me Momo." To cut the long story short, I received the alert for my Banku. I wasn't believing it. Thank you so much, Brandy Accra boy. Thank you so much. There's another lady too, Antina. She's in Canada. Whenever she comes on my live, on my TikTok live, the way she gives me, the way she sends me gifts, like at times I used to ask myself, is it that this lady plucks money from the tree or what? This lady, she dey plug money for tree, abi? Like people of like the Ga people, they give, they are givers. This thing that is in my hand, when the message came to me, the message was what you guys read earlier. On behalf of the Gas, we will send you a package whenever you are ready. This is their Instagram. This is their Instagram. Nakomi is a good, like one of the best restaurants we have in Ghana. Dende East Legon. Nakomi. I will unbox it for you people to see what is inside, to see the package. In fact, you guys need to order their food and see how it is. I don't want to say too much, but God will bless the Ghana tribe of Ghana. God bless Ghana. God bless the whole tribe. I love the whole tribe. See, anywhere they do Ghana traditional ceremony, Ghana festival, anything about the Ghana, you guys should notify me. You guys should alert me. I will be there present to show the love I have for the Ghans. This package was sent to me on behalf of the Ghans. I love you guys so much, and I received you guys' package, and God bless you guys so much. I don't want to say too much. I want to unbox it so that people will see what is inside. Thank you so much, the Ghana tribe. Let's go and unbox it. Now, come. God bless you, and God bless the Ghana. Oh wow! I can see some hot balls of kinky. Woo! Okay, this is their card, and this is their number. So I think I have to put this number on the screen. Now come. Wow! Wow! Guys! 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 This is assorted. I'll have to pour it on this string for you guys to see. Oh boy! Wow! Wow! Fuck! Fuck! Guys! 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 From now coming, see assorted. I have fish. I have gizzard. See crayfish now, big ones, pound. Where? See chicken. See sausage. Ghanaian food is the best. Oh wow, nice. Very delicious. This is from Nakomi Kala at East Legon. In case you want to eat something like this, they are at East Legon. This is crayfish. Let crayfish be this so. God bless Ghana.
Ebusiawe de nyina yasoma o. You say the good name is better than riches. O hwe abrantie ne nsem a waka nyina, anya say bia odware no na se wotwa ntro. Eya no kratro do. O hwe enkrafo suban a wo mo da na di e de a kire abrantie. A o di gina ho no mo di o mo ho adanse ya eya no kratro do. Anya na no mu odwa da bi da. Enti no emma obi na ada o se bibi papa bi no ma we se mo na se o ma we se no. Anya dia wo mo a obetumi ameki oboa. Say nipa no be kasa asem na kire wo no o dada wo twa wontro hwe se de hofuo no bakuru mu anomo a o mani gie o munya na alatafo ekura mpokura no le yemfa ni nto wo mo se alatafo okọ circle okọ krom there are some places bon kran no na okọ no ma je wafa enuma ahodo a business o mo running any greasy ka de ko mo kuro mo no enye adeketwa into ma we say ni sika wo o ma we say na hoto wo ma we say asundwe wo in case e bia so wo sika kakra wo ho na mo ni da ho no ma ebusuya you make it